Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Blockbull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, we've just received this over on X. Donald Trump has tweeted out or posted over on X. It is now officially election day. This will be the most important day in American history. Voter enthusiasm is through the roof because people want to make America great again. That means lines are going to be absolutely chaos out there today over in America. So yeah, if I was an American citizen, I'll be taking my ass and I will be voting for Donald J. Trump as it is. So he is saying here, together we are going to have a tremendous victory and make America great again. I do believe Donald is the best candidate for the job, and I do believe he will reign supreme in this upcoming election today. So this particular account has this sort of final 24 election map forecasted here. So he's saying he was 100% in predicting the previous sort of electoral victory, which Joe Biden took. Today, he does have Trump winning this election with 287 electoral votes here. So you can see all the states here. So 287 votes to 251 as well. So let's just have a look as well. BBC, again, this is a UK news article, sort of publication, if you will. So it's not until the early hours of tomorrow, 6 o'clock UK time, that we will hear from the last final vote. So it won't be till tomorrow that we actually know over in the UK. Obviously, the US are usually, New York time anyway, they're 5 hours behind New York. So again, it'll probably still be only midnight, 1 o'clock tomorrow morning that the US citizens actually find out as well. Now, if we just go over to the charts here, we've just filtered through like the biggest gainers over the past 24 hours, and you can see over on the shortlist, VRA is up over nearly enough 15%. So that's some sort of huge gains, preemptive as we are. We're still in and around those symmetrical triangles. There's a lot of cryptos now towards these apexes, as you will see, as we do actually cover these charts now. However, I do have VRA looking at a sort of 390 to 400x moonshot going into next year. So we're looking at challenging these sort of all-time highs initially. All-time highs would put you around that sort of 9 cent region. That would be about 30 to 31x in my opinion, but I do believe we can 10x the all-time high in my opinion. Well, not necessarily 10x, but we're looking up here. You can see here around that sort of 50,000% move, depending on how long into 2025 that we do move into that sort of super cycle territory. So VRA is looking at a fantastic sort of opportunity, even still now, after this 14-15% day. Dodge is doing all right, up approximately 10%. Again, Dodge is an early mover. We have broken out of this sort of bull pennant, if you will. So we are on the correct side there. We have broken out, as mentioned. HBAR also doing really well. Again, a lot of these symmetrical triangles playing out. So this is where we are now, guys. A lot of the crypto is synchronized, so we're looking for some big moves. Let's have a look at Gala. We have got a big bag of Gala, so this is a move that I'm expecting over the next week or two for Gala. I want to get up again towards the end of November. I want to be up around 6.5 cents, 7 cent would be fantastic to close November, and then throughout December as well. I'm looking to run up massively. So again, we're looking at taking profits maybe between that sort of 60-70 cent area. We'll see where we're at around the sort of 20th of December. And then we will be looking to make that rotation into the crypto that has moved the least, whether it be the XDC token or the XRP. So let's just take a look at those cryptos as well. XRP not moved a great deal. Again, only 1% on the day. But again, symmetrical triangles are coming in. So there's a lot of bull pennants playing out. And I do believe in the space of the crypto landscape that XRP has the biggest crypto bull pennants out there. You can see here the flag with the pole dating back from that previous super cycle here, which commenced around the sort of March of 2017 before we got that 3 impulsive move to the upside. You can see anytime we do have a sort of US elections, we do get going. This was literally within a couple of weeks in the previous cycle where we actually ran up. I'm just going to put this over to candlesticks here. So we have that US elections there on the sort of red vertical line here. So we'll just measure up from the open. So within a couple of weeks, I'd say 3 weeks, we ran up about 220%. So, say for example, XRP was to do something similar within the next 2 or 3 weeks, we would be looking at around that 165, I would say. Again, I'd be looking at taking out these weekly closes up here. So that weekly close is around 157. So I'd be more than happy with XRP taking out 157. That's $1.57 over the next 2 or 3 weeks. Well, certainly in November, that would be a fantastic result. But I don't expect, even if XRP was to make that move this month, I don't expect that to be a sustainable move up until the end of the year. I do believe there's some more SEC sort of litigation going on in terms of the appeal. I think the deadline for that is the 15th of January of next year. So, like I said, however, I do believe there will be whether it be a settlement, I don't know. I don't know in terms of the new sort of narrative, and I don't really care because all I'm interested in is these candlesticks here. I do believe we will see a God candle in the sort of first week of January, and that will be the 36 weeks after the halving. As I mentioned repetitively in the previous videos that I've done, you can quickly just do it here. So you get your red vertical line, which is US elections. We'll take it back to the Bitcoin halving. So usually 36 weeks after the halving. There you go. This is where you get your big moves here. So 36 weeks, boom. And again, from this orange dash line, which is a Bitcoin halving, you can see here we got going over the US elections, and then we got that capitulation, got the correction, and then 36 weeks after, boom, up to the upside. And again, that would put us around the sort of first week of January, in my opinion. So all that is in the plan. Obviously, you guys just get a taste, obviously free content over on YouTube. But if you guys do want the full plan, link is below in the description. So you can use the link in the description, or you can literally just go over to my homepage over on here, and the link is there. So that'll take you through to the XRP plan and the XDC plan as well. So yeah, just click on that, and you'll get immediate access straight away. Click, click, click. Buy now, blah blah blah. There you go. You know the score anyway, guys. So there we have it. We do have some decent gains to be had this month. So yeah. Keep an eye out for any price movements, and make sure you're actually capitalizing on all of these moves that are going on in the markets. I don't expect to take any profits anytime soon. We are literally about to get going now, guys, like I say, over the next 2-3 weeks. So make sure your bags are packed for this upcoming super cycle. There's no time like the present. I wish everyone the best, and hopefully Donald Trump trumps Kamala Harris to the US presidency. Anyway, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. Peace out.